Today we will going to fix connection error in Valorant Error Code -81. Let's start. Press Windows key plus R. Now type msconfig and run and press OK. Now after this, go to the services. Now in the services, search for the VGC. Now here we got the VGC and it is showing that it is stopped. Now check on VGC, click on apply and click on OK, and after that click on exit without restart. Now again go to your run, type msconfig, OK. Now again go to your services. Now click on hide all Microsoft services. You need to check this option. Click OK. Now restart your PC and your problem has been resolved. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.